Today I am unboxing and trying out two different key fob covers. Here is my current key fob cover that I've had for most of the year. I'm getting a little bored with it and I was looking for something a little nicer. It's a silicone sleeve with 3 buttons embossed on the top. It has a keychain that attaches on the loop on the back. By the way, here is the name of the cover, and I have a link in the description if you like this type. They go for around $10. Yes, I know that most people use their phones as a key, but since I do a lot of videos around the car, and I have a set of keys, I use the fob quite often as a keychain. Let me get to the first item for today. The box says Royal Fox, but this is sold under a number of different names on Amazon and eBay. Taking it out of the box, we have the keychain here, and then the cover itself. It is black leather and has a microfiber interior. There's a nice double row of stitching along the sides, and on the top there are 3 icons embossed on the surface. Along the sides are stylized windows. There is a small hole in the front that I assume makes it easier to remove the fob if needed. The first thing I need to do is to install the keyring on the key fob. Take the fob and look at the end for an indentation. Take your thumbnail and use it to pop open the cover. Now take the key ring loop and place it over the tiny hook on the fob. Once it is on, you can place the cover back on again, and it will be secure. The length of the loop is a bit long, but it should work out fine. Take the fob and place the end with the Tesla logo into the cover. Push it in all the way. You will then see the logo visible through the hole at the front of the case. By the way, there are a few color options for this case, including red, brown, and white. The buttons on the cover match up to the locations on the fob. The one on the back is the trunk button, then the lock/unlock button, and then the front button near the front. At this point, I could remove the keys from the old keyring and place them on this one. Now for the next key fob cover. This one also is sold under different names on Amazon and eBay stores. It comes in a foam box that is taped, so there's no cardboard box here since it's going to be tossed anyway. The cover has a nice saddle brown leather with a double row of stitching that blends in along the sides. By the way, this also comes in a blue color. The inside pocket is soft. Just to let you know, it has a nice leather smell that the first one did not have. Here is the key ring loop. I'll unsnap the button to let the strap loose. The strap attaches to the back of the case through these openings. Here are the black and brown cases side by side. Similar to the first cover, it also has a hole on the front. The logos are a little easier to see since the leather is a lighter color. And the brown case is just a bit longer due to the strap. Removing the key fob from the black case was not too difficult. Let me take the key ring off of the key fob. I'll unsnap the rear cover and take off the loop, put the cover back on. Now I will insert the key fob into the case by pointing the end with the logo in first and push it all the way in. Take the strap and guide it through the 2 openings of the cover. Place the strap under the loop and snap it over the metal button. Now it is on securely. Let's have a closer look. There is a bit of a gap between the end of the key fob and the strap, but nothing too bad. It could be a little shorter. Press in on the metal loop to open the clasp. The key ring at the end can be used as a clasp to attach to pant loops or a purse if you don't have keys. Let me remove the keychain from the original silicone cover. I'll just put the whole loop on the new keychain for ease of removal. It does offer a nice bit of flexibility. Here are all three cases side by side for comparison. I'll press the buttons to show you that they correspond nicely to the fob inside the cover. First the trunk, then the door, and then the frunk. If you like any of these key fob covers, I have the links in the video description. Here is another view of the three cases on my kitchen countertop. The silicone case is the most compact, followed closely by the black case. I personally like the brown case the best since it matches the color of my wallet. In all, either key fob cover is a good choice. It basically comes down to color preference and the need for a key ring or clasp. That does it for this review. If you have any questions or comments, besides why do I have a key fob, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.